Ladies and gentlemen, manned seal truck, kilometers covered, 7 million kilometers, present cost, 8 million naira. How old were you when this was in its glory days? How well do you know this truck? Can you recommend this truck for someone, or it's a no-go area?
So, early check it. Man, this wow. Now look at this. Look at this. We have this that to cover the tank. Now look at this work. So this is for air pressure. Okay, full brake near Abby. So all right. Is that how they? All right. Get here. So okay. So this no problem. This is the step. You move up. Look at. So we have analog system. This battery. Look at this. You have this nice place. Huh. Sorry, I'm not been. Bye bye. We have for switch and other things. 6 gear, 7 gear truck. Look at this. Just look at this nice. Yeah, okay, so this is handbrake for the truck. So we have the different pedals. Look at this. How cool is that? All right, now look at this. Wow. So in Africa we use this for brake. Abi, emergency brake. Wage. Look at this. Hey, nice. Ali one. I'm still here. No problem.